Cache Giraffe stuck at 99% usually means the app has loaded most of its startup data, but is failing to complete the final connection or synchronization step. By the end, you'll know which fixes to try first, how to rule out connection and app problems, and what information to collect if Cache Giraffe still refuses to load. Start by completely closing Cache Giraffe. Remove it from your recent apps instead of simply returning to your home screen, then open it again. If it reaches 99% and stops again, test your internet connection. Open another website or app that needs the internet, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Reopen Cache Giraffe after changing the connection. Next, restart your phone. A full restart can clear temporary processes that prevent an app from completing its startup sequence. Then check for a Cache Giraffe update. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Cache Giraffe, and install any available update. Restart the app after the update finishes. If you're using Android, clear the Cache Giraffe cache. Open Settings. Select Apps. Choose Cache Giraffe. Open Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary cached files without using the separate Clear Data option. Avoid clearing app data unless you understand what information may be removed and how you will sign back into your account. Next, check your phone's available storage. If your device is extremely low on storage, apps can have trouble loading, updating, or creating temporary files. Remove unnecessary files or apps if needed, then restart Cache Giraffe. If you use a VPN, private DNS, ad blocker, or another network filtering service, temporarily disable it and test Cache Giraffe again. These settings can interfere with the connection the app needs during startup. Also, check whether other apps are loading normally. If several apps are failing to connect, the problem may be your phone or network rather than Cache Giraffe. If everything else works but Cache Giraffe remains frozen at 99%, take a screenshot of the loading screen. Record your phone model, operating system version, Cache Giraffe app version, and whether you were using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then contact Cache Giraffe support through its available support or contact option. Tell them the app consistently stops at 99% and provide the screenshot and device information. The best order is simple: force close Cache Giraffe, switch networks, restart your phone, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, check storage, and test again. Your next step is to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and relaunch Cache Giraffe. If it still stops at 99%, move through the remaining fixes in order. If this fixed your Cache Giraffe loading problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.